Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dr. Praise and Repeat. Àlàáfíà. Áńgẹ́lì mi ò ní sùn. Oríwo ya o. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Lọ́la kó bá yà kún Ọlọ́run ọba. Ewé ń jẹ́. Ewé á jẹ́. Ewé ń jẹ́. Àwọn ọ̀nà mi dábọ̀ sóhun mi lọ́jọ́ dìbò. Ewé ń jẹ́. Alawalu, alakiru, asọhiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú.
This is another powerful assignment that work like it work like fire, and this one is more than blood money. I think you understand what I'm saying. If you watch my live video today, I discuss how to use scent leaf and cloves. There are many ways to use scent leaf and clove. Are you with me? Like this one that I want to explain today. And if you apply this simple instruction, you will surely share me a good testimony. And this one is not something is coming to give you money. It can only work for what you are doing. I mean your hand work. You understand? So what are the materials you need for this assignment? You need money of your country. This is money of my country. And you need a denomination. Like if you are in Nigeria, you need 1,000 naira new notes. If you are not in Nigeria, like if you are in America or London, I don't advise you to use $100, but you can use money that is very high. Like you can use $10, you can use $5. And this assignment is not that one spirit is coming to your doorstep and give you money. No. You understand? So how to do it and how to use it. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening wherever you are watching me today. My name is Dr. Mutiu, or Latiboye, also known as Babi Winje. If today is your first time here, everything I do here is to share spiritual tip, just like the one I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So anytime, any day, any hour, I post video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You see a lot of video that can help your spiritual life. If you don't understand, feel free to call me on the 070-3742-2552. Or you message me on WhatsApp 090-5333-2747. In today's video, and as you see from the title, I want to discuss how to use scent leaf. And there is one seed, we call it yere, but in English language they call it black pepper. Are you with me? And money of your country. This one is confirmed favor booster. You know what I mean by favor booster? It's not that something is going to give you money, or spirit is coming to your doorstep and place big money in front of your house. It's not like that. But favor, it can be anything that will be favor you. I think you understand. So how many pieces of scent leaf do you need? You need fresh scent leaf. It's not dried one. Don't use dried scent leaf. Use fresh one. You need 21 pieces of scent leaf and 21 pieces of black seed, iyere in Yoruba language, and money of your country. You need a plastic rubber, like a plastic rubber, not all this small, like this plastic rubber. You need it. Are you with me? So the first thing you are going to do is to place the money in that plastic rubber, just like this. Are you with me? 21 pieces of black seed iyere. Put it on top of the money, and you use that scent leaf to cover it up. Use scent leaf to cover it up. And you need 6 flower perfume. Add it on top of those materials. Use something to cover it and allow it at least for 21 days. After 21 days, what are you going to do with this water? The reason why you need something that is very big, plastic rubber that is very big, is that you are going to use your right hand to remove that money from that plastic rubber. Use your right hand, remove all the leaf from that plastic rubber. Are you with me? Use your right hand, remove everything in that plastic rubber. You can turn out the perfume to another plastic rubber after that, but you must use your hand. See this kind of assignment, you cannot ask someone to do it for you. You do it yourself. Or when I have it, you understand the Yoruba language. So if you have someone to do it for you and they use their hand to remove that thing from that plastic rubber, that thing will not work for you. It will not work. It is just like you are working for someone. That is why you need to do it yourself. So what are you going to do with this water, this perfume? If you want to bathe in the morning, add a spoon of that perfume to your bath water and use to wash every part of your body. You can use any soap of your choice. You can use any sponge. Bathe it, especially on Wednesday. It's very good. Bathe it on Wednesday. You surely share me a good testimony. It's very simple and very, very effective. Only if you follow the simple instruction. Those materials you remove from the water, if the money is still okay, you can spend it. You can dash it to someone, or you throw it away if you don't need it. If you don't need it, you can send it to my account, or I'll give you my account number. It doesn't have any side effects. Even if you dash someone, it doesn't have any side effects. That is how to do it, and that is how to use it. Please, if you love this video, to like this video, and as you like this video, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family. Thank you for watching. Orúkọ mi náà ni Dr. Mutiu Ọlátíbóyè táyé mọ̀ sí ìwé jẹ́. Lórí ètò yìí gbala náà lẹ́nu nǹkan tí agbẹ́dánidá máa ń ṣe àmọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ lè pàṣẹ ìwé àtẹ̀gbò láwọn nǹkan kéékèèké báyìí. Ojú ní tẹ̀ fún gbòmí ojú ló ní fọ́, etí tẹ̀ fún gbòmí tí ló ní di. Èmi lọ́mọ yín, àbúrò yín, olólùfẹ́ yín lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí Dr. Mutiu. Ìta mọ́ wá fún wa ní òní ni nǹkan tí a mọ̀ sí àánú. Ọlọ́balọ́ba tó ní àánú lọ́dọ̀. Ká lo ọṣẹ bí ẹni máa kú. Bí ó bá sí àánú Ọlọ́run lára èèyàn, ẹnìkan kò lè wọ́n ní ṣàánú ẹ̀. Ẹni tọ́lọ́run bá ṣàánú, kò wá sẹ́ni tó lè blọ́ọ̀kù ọ̀nà ẹ̀. Ẹni tọ́lọ́run bá ṣàánú, ara yóò lè ṣàánú ẹ̀. So gbogbo yìí tá ń lo ìyá kan fi sábàbí náà ni. Kódà ó lè má jẹ́ pé nǹkan tó ló ń gbà mí ló ṣiṣẹ́. Ó jẹ́ pé àsìkò ẹ ló dé. Wàláhì bó ṣe rí nìyẹn. àmọye nǹkan téèyàn ti dánwò nù ayé mo lè ṣe bóyá ṣe kékeré kan lẹ̀ pé iṣẹ́ asínà kí n ṣe lẹ̀ kí n wá fílẹ̀ kí ni mi ò nílò kí n wo bóyá ọ̀nà yóò sì wàláì dáadáa tún lẹ́sìn mo lè fílẹ̀ kó jẹ́ pé láàrin ọjọ́ tó fẹ́ ká mo fílẹ̀ lé ìjọ́ kejọ́ kẹta ọlọ́wọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa ṣe yanu sọ àwọn òpé tó bá yẹ pé mo lo kíní ni màá fi gbàgbọ́ sí pé òun ló ṣiṣẹ́ àánú kan kò sí lọ́dọ̀ ẹnìkan àyàfẹ́ni tọ́lọ́ bá sáà mu ló fi ń jẹ́ pé gbogbo nǹkan kí nǹkan tá a bá ti fẹ́ ṣe ẹ jẹ́ ká máa fi tọ́lọ́ síwájú bẹ́ẹ̀ ni a mú ewé ìfinrin wálé ni ewé ìfinrin 21 pieces ìyèrè 21 pieces 6 flower perfume àtọwọ́ òlu àtàbànà tó bá tóbi jù ẹ jẹ́ ká wá abọ́ kan àmì ike kan tọ́wọ́ lè wọnú ẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká tẹ owó yẹn sínú ike yẹn ìyèrè yẹn ẹ jẹ́ ká kó lé ewé yẹn ẹ wá jẹ́ ká dáàbò lórí ẹ jẹ́ ká dá perfume yẹn lé lórí ká wá gbé pamọ́ fún 21 days after 21 days ọwọ́ ọ̀tún wa ẹ jẹ́ ká fi kó gbogbo nǹkan tó wà nínú ẹ̀ kúrò ká dànù owó yẹn a lè ná tá a bá dẹ̀ fẹ́ ná ẹ lè bẹ̀rẹ̀ àkáǹtì mi kẹ́ bá mi sẹ́ndẹ̀ síbẹ̀ tá a bá ti kó dànù tá a bá ti fẹ́ lò síbí kan ẹ jẹ́ ká máa tọ́ sínú omi ìwẹ̀ wa ká fi wẹ̀ ká wo nǹkan tó ló mọ̀ sí fún wa nínú ọ̀rọ̀ ilé ayé wa ìwọ tó bá ti dàrú fún tán lò pẹ̀lú àdúrà pẹ̀lú àníyàn gbogbo nǹkan tó bá ń bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ sí fún ẹ lágbára Ọlọ́run èmi náà lọ́mọ yín àbúrò yín olólùfẹ́ yín Dr. Mutiu Ọlátíbóyè báyìí mọ̀ sí wọ́n jẹ́ ẹni tó bá dìgbà mí á tún ní ọ̀rọ̀ tuntun yàtọ̀ sílé yìí wá ẹ má gbàgbé láti subscribe sórí ètò kí lè kó fún wa ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àǹfààní lórí àwọn kan mi ìta ṣe àti èyí tà ṣe torí pé èyí tí a ti ṣe ó pọ̀ ju èyí tí a ti ṣe lọ.
ewé ń jẹ ewé ajẹ ewé ń jẹ àwọn lóní dábọ̀ sóhun mi lọ́jọ́ dìbò ewé ń jẹ láìláìláìlá aláwálù alákírù asọhírù abatínú ọlọ́run ọba ìwọ ló pamọ́ ìwọ ló fara jáde yé alárágbá yìí dániyàn ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn fásikúrú ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú kó fàyà kùn rẹ̀ láfi ń ṣe tiwa.